Greetings everyone. So I hope you already saw the new clip which we posted on the YouTube with regards tree liners, and now it is time to show you what is the control. So here you can see two units actually. The heartbeat one, which was always the one of our let's say flagship of the control units, and Neohb, which was presented this year as a new our flagship. Difference are clearly visible. Neo has the sound unit already in place, but the heartbeat one has it externally, so you need to connect in, insert the micro SD card, plug the power supply plus speaker, and then it's operational with the sequence. The Neo heartbeat has it already included, so you can see the sound module here. Here is the connection to the speakers. The layout is slightly different as well. I would say to have all the connections in one side is much better, and of course the effects are different. So the connection is still the same, so when you connect the ground with the input number 1, it will be for 2 engine model. If you apply it to number 2, it will be for 4 engine. Here are the switches when you press it in. So it will be with the shake start of the motors. If not, it will be regular smooth startup. I already explained the sound unit. Here are the 16 outputs for the lights effects, and basically up to 9 there are steady, and from 10 to 16 they are flashing, so there are various flashes. Here is the connection of the PWM output, so this will control the engines. So this is standby mode, because you can see the flashing blue SMD, but let's apply for example on number 2. Okay, so the blue starts switch off and the effects are starting. So first will be the 3 light effects and then flashing. This means that you can use this for interior or some basic the steady exterior lighting. So number 10 is 1 flash per 1 second, number 11 is 2 flashes per 1 second, number 12 is 1 flash 1 second, which is phase moved by 0.10, 13 is 0 Hz, which is the frequency of the flashing light regular. Number 14 is 4 speed flashes in 2 seconds, and 15 and 16 are, let's say, changing each other. You can also see the smooth startup of the engines. It's perfect that SMDs are used as a control, so you have visual that your unit is operational, and this also help you to see what's going on. After about 1 minute, the sound unit starts to be operational once you plug the speaker, and the sound length is about 3 minutes. This means that you have, let's say, enough long sequence to show all the effects which are installed on the aircraft. So you can slowly see that the other outputs are flashing on. Also the sequence of the flashlights as well is visible, and now the sequence is running. After about the 1 minute, it goes starts flashing off, switching off, sorry. Now the engines, number 1 and number 4, so inner engines are still rotating, which is basically very nice effect, and you can see it in many historical documents, and also in some, let's say, later airliners. And and this is how is it going off. So the engines are switched off, and now you can see the first three outputs are off as well. And once the blue lights start flashing, this means that the Neo heartbeat is ready for another input. You can have two options, okay? So one is that you put the plug in here, the switch, and you connect directly your inputs, or you connect like this, and here from the ground to the 1 or 2 you put the push button, and the push button, once you press it, the sequence starts like this. Okay, so let's go for number 1. And the sequence begins. Okay, so hope you enjoy. If you are interested to see more of the videos, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any ideas, suggestions, what effects you would like to have, don't hesitate to write to the comments. And thank you for your attention.